In this episode, we talk about maintenance care's pricing and how much it costs. Let's get into it. Hi there, welcome to part 6 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're talking about everyone's favorite topic, maintenance care's pricing. If maintenance care's product is tough to beat, their pricing is even more competitive. There are 3 editions of maintenance care's solution. Number 1, Free Forever Edition. The Free Forever Edition is a stripped-down version of maintenance care limited to one user that lets you submit and manage work orders. It is free forever, however, it's mainly a demo environment and not something you'll be using permanently. Number 2, Work Order Edition, $100 a month. Maintenance Care's Work Order Edition allows you to submit and manage work orders, run reports, and add unlimited users. Typically, this tier is for smaller operations like mom and pop shops and other SMBs. Number 3, Enterprise Edition, $200 a month. The Enterprise Edition unlocks all features of maintenance care, including advanced work orders, preventative maintenance, asset management, parts and inventory, and more. Most of Maintenance Care's customers have the Enterprise Edition, and for good reason. Getting all the bells and whistles of a robust CMMS and unlimited users for only $200 a month with no long-term contract is, well, a pretty compelling business case. Maintenance Care's setup costs are also low compared to other software vendors. It's possible to get fully set up and onboarded for less than $500, and that includes user creation and multiple remote training sessions. Customer support is another key differentiator when it comes to Maintenance Care's pricing. Unlike other vendors, Maintenance Care offers unlimited support, phone, chat, and email included with its paid editions. Plus, it's their own employees taking the calls. No outsourcing it, so you know you're getting top-notch support from experts every time. Maintenance Care pricing verdict. If you have more than 3 users who need to access your CMMS, you should be taking a look at Maintenance Care. Why? Other vendors typically charge per user and have certain minimums, which means you'll end up paying a lot more. Do your wallet a favor and get a demo for Maintenance Care to see if they're right for your organization. There you go, Maintenance Care's pricing. Next up, we cover Maintenance Care alternatives. For the rest of this series, including the full review, check out the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see Maintenance Care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.